Hi, my name is Veer Mehta and my topic is cloud computing technology, improving small business performance using the internet. And my group members are Yash Gandhi, myself Veer Mehta, Mandar Vidate and Shubham Panchal. Introduction of cloud computing. So what is cloud computing? Cloud computing refers to the delivery of computing services such as storage servers, software and networking over the internet, which we completely call the cloud. Instead of relying on physical hardware or local servers, businesses and individuals can access these resources through the internet. This offers several key advantages including faster innovation, greater flexibility, efficient use of resources, and reduced cost through economies of scale. One of the main benefits of cloud computing is that companies no longer need to invest heavily in expensive hardware infrastructure. They can treat computing services on demand. This shifts from owning a hardware to subscribing to services has completely transformed the way businesses operate. It supports dynamic scaling, remote access, and better collaboration, which is especially crucial in today's fast-paced digital world. Although the concept of cloud computing dates back to the 1960s, its widespread adaptation only began around 2009. The platforms such as AWS, Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud. These platforms provide scalable, reliable, and cost-effective solutions that allows businesses of all sizes to move their operation to the cloud. So, in summary, cloud computing is not just a tech trend. It's a game changer that enables businessmen to be more agile, innovative, and competitive in rapidly evolving digital landscape. So why do small businesses need cloud? Small businesses often work with limited resources. They may not be having the budget for expensive infrastructure or large IT teams, but the expectations from customers remain high. They are still expected to deliver fast, reliable, and high quality services. In today's competitive market, small businesses also have to compete with large enterprises that have more funding, more manpower, and advanced technologies. Without access to similar tools, it becomes difficult for smaller firms to stay in the game. That's where cloud computing comes in. It helps bridge this gap by providing enterprise grade tools and services. Things like data storage, processing power, customer management tools, and collaboration platforms that are affordable, scalable, and accessible from anywhere. Cloud solutions are flexible and can grow as the business grows. So, whether it's a startup with a few employees or a rapidly expanding team, they can be scaled up or down their cloud services as needed. This kind of flexibility and speed is something traditional IT setups can offer easily. So, in short, cloud computing levels the playing field. Gives the small businesses access to the same technology advantages that big companies enjoy without the heavy cost or complexity.
So now let's talk about how could cloud or cloud computing benefit small businesses. So let's begin by understanding how the cloud is used in the small businesses, how it is benefiting them. One of the biggest advantages of the cloud computing is that it reduces the IT costs. Cloud services eliminate the need of expensive IT infrastructure and in-house IT teams. Instead, businesses only pay for what they use, often through affordable subscription models. Another key benefit is the accessibility. With cloud platforms, employees can access tools from anywhere and as long as they have internet connection. This enables remote work and improves the quality of work and the response times and everything. Also improves accessibility. Cloud solutions also offer quick scalability. As your businesses grow, you can easily scale services up or down without worrying about hardware limitations because everything is taken care uh, by the service provider of your cloud. And finally, cloud platforms come equipped with collaboration tools, helping teams work together efficiently through shared apps and workspaces. Overall, cloud technology brings increased flexibility, streamlined mobility, and better security. It is valuable for small businesses with limited resources, such as startups. Now, let's world to the let's move on to the real world cloud uses in SMBs. So, how does small and medium business actually use the cloud in real world? They use all these tools such as QuickBooks Online, MailChimp, Zoho CRM, Dropbox, Google Drive, Slack, or Zoom. Everything is available for free, and if you want to use further services, you can as much pay as per your usage. So QuickBooks Online is widely used for accounting and invoicing, simplifying financial tasks. For marketing and customer management, businesses rely on tools like MailChimp or Zoho CRM to automate campaigns and manage client relationships. When it comes to file storage and sharing, tools like Dropbox and Google Drive are essential. They provide secure and easy access uh, to important documents from any device. For communication platforms like Slack and Zoom, help team members and clients stay connected no matter where they are. These tools not only simplify everyday operations but also reduce manual effort and significantly boost productivity. Now let's move on towards the cost comparison of cloud and traditional IT. How the cost is between traditional IT infrastructure and a cloud infrastructure for small businesses. How it would affect. Okay. So traditional IT requires a hefty upfront investment in servers, software, and skilled staff to maintain all that. Hardware costs are high, and maintenance requires a dedicated IT team. And scaling the system can be both, it requires huge planning and how much effort will go in it, and the cost will be very high. On the other hand, cloud IT uses a flexible subscription-based model. There's no need for physical hardware as the provider handles every other maintenance. The upfront cost is low or even non-existent, and scalability is instant and simple. So, through this, we can see for small businesses, cloud-based IT is not only more affordable but also more adaptable and easier to manage. Now, further will be explained by my other team members. Thank you.
So now we talk about security and data protection. Cloud service providers invest heavily in security, often more than small businesses can afford on their own. Key features that include in security and data protections are automatic backups to protect against the data loss, data encryption, and adherence to the regulations like GDPR, and disaster recovery. So tools to restore the operations quickly in case of any failure. And this improves the business continuity and customer trust. Challenges faced in cloud computing are: cloud is powerful but not without its risks. Internet and dependency: without any stable internet, you may not be able to access the cloud remotely and your work may get stalled. Private concern: sensitivity, data stored offsite may face compliance risks. Billing surprises: usage based pricing can lead to unexpected risks and costs. And vendor lock-in: migrating data from one provider to another can be very complex. So being aware of these can help in proactive planning. Step by step adoption guide. The adopting cloud technology is a step by step process and assesses your needs. What are your current problems and priorities? Number one. Number two, choose a cloud model. public, private, or hybrid based on the cost and data sensitivity. Third, start small. Begin with a few apps or services before migrating everything. Train staff. Ensure your team knows how to use these tools effectively. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Shubham Pancha. So today I will be discussing about the case study of a small business's success story. So this is a case study about a small business's Bella Bakery and how the cloud computing helped to improve their performance. Before using a cloud tools, the bakery had an issue with the paper based upon the accounting, the poor customer services. To solve this, they have started a different cloud basis too. Square POS to handle the payments, QuickBooks to managing the finance, the Google Drive for storing a file, and Zoom for online catering consultation. So after that, the result has been reduced accounting time by 40%. Their sale went up by 20% thanks to better customer tracking, and there becomes more efficient, leading to happier customer. So now we'll be moving forward. So the smart tips for the SMB cloud success. The first, start small. So whenever we have trying those things, start with a small. Use one service first. Track usage. Avoid surprise bill. Train staff. Tool are only useful if people know them. Review vendors. Make sure they still meet your needs. This step helps you to avoid and get most out of the cloud tool. So here we are at the end of the topic, that is the conclusion. So the cloud computing has been an essential for the small businesses, aiming it to growing it, reducing the improving collaboration, supports the remote work, and enables a faster innovation. Although it comes with some risk, with a proper planning, cloud application can drive a long-term success and help a small businesses complete its digital economy. So the cloud empowers a SMB to scale affordably, supports the innovation, flexibility, and efficiency with a smart planning, and the risk is minimal. So the thank you. So